Our half-eaten cake. It was so yummy that we decided to
Where's this? I think this is mine. Okay. Where's your fork? Oh, okay, this is mine.
I have to get my contacts in and out.
This is yummy cake.
She's gonna get fat, and she'll regret it. She will really, really regret it. But you know. She's gonna get fat, and she'll regret it. I just know it. Look how big that cake is. She ate more than I did. Yeah.
Liar.
I'm not a liar. Oh God.
I don't want no more.
You're still eating it? Katie's World Food. She's in the washing machine. Holy shit. Oh my God, your teeth. People on YouTube and MySpace are gonna hate you. They're gonna be like, what is that fat girl doing? She's eating all that cake. Oh my God. They're gonna think you're fat. They're gonna call you fat girl because you're eating the cake.
Is there any chocolate?
No.
Where's my
Holy crap, my phone.
oh,
Hell if I know. Oh my God.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom.
Oh my God.
This is a tree.
I'm the king of the world.
My foot got stuck and I fell. I think my mom saw it. Did you see her? Fear her. Oh. How I do it? Okay.
I think she died.
Nothing? I fell.
Yeah, well, you can hear it over there. That's enough. Kate, well, maybe we take her home.
Okay. Bye, Mom.
End of video.